Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable multi-factor authentication in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to go to our organization settings so we can be able to disable our MFA authentication. And simply to do so, we need just to go to setup and then we need to go to some identity verifications. So now all we need to do is simply to go to setup as we are here. Now we want to find identity verification. So here identity verification. And now all we need to do is to search for the settings concerning the multi-factor authentication. So as you can see, there is some MFA management, etc. But what matters the most is here is to require multi-factor authentication for all direct UI logins to your Salesforce organization. So basically, if you want to disable it, you will need just to uncheck this box and you will be able to remove it. Also, there are other things concerning verification methods like the Salesforce authenticator that you will be able to disable these settings, or you can simply just leave them as a measure of security. But if you want just to take off or disable only the MFA authentication via the authenticator, like Salesforce authenticator or some Google authenticator or any other app, you will need just to disable this one and you will be able to have it disabled. So basically, this is how you can disable the MFA. Thank you for watching and see you next time.